Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two.
Okay, so first of all, before we start the class, it will be better if we start in prayer first. So, who is the leader of this class?
Me, Miss.
Okay, please.
Okay, guys. So before we start the class, we may pray first. Finish.
And then I will check the attendance first. Jadi siapa yang tidak hadir hari ini? Ada. Aso, Miss.
Aso.
Oke, Aso. Rahda, Miss. Masih perutnya. Amera, Miss. Oke.
Mana ada ini?
Person. Okay, so how are you today?
Great, Miss.
Great, okay. So I want you, all of the class, stand up first. Okay, and if I say hi, you can answer it. Hello. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, may I start?
Yes,
Miss. Okay. Answer with louder. Okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hello.
Okay, thank you.
We may sit down, Miss.
Yes. Oke. Dan ini kita akan belajar tentang speech atau pidato. Nah, kalian akan belajar bagaimana struktur pidato dan bagaimana pengucapannya. Oke? Oke,
Yes,
Miss. Apakah kalian sudah siap belajar?
Siap, Miss.
Oke, thank you.
Alright, class. Today we are going to learn about speech. As I explained in the last meeting, besides you will learn what speech is, you guys also will do your own speech. Who's excited for this? But before that, I will explain to you guys what speech is. So, a speech is a formal address or discourse to deliver your message to an audience. It is a method of communication intended to inform, to persuade, motivate, or entertain your listeners. In speech, I have three main points, or three main structure. The first is introduction. In introduction, you have to pay attention to three main things. The first is attention grabber. What is attention grabber? It is an opening to gain your audience attention. It is start with a hook to grab the audience attention, and this could be a quote, a question, or a surprising fact related to your topic in your speech. The second is is a state that clearly explain the main purpose or the main message of your speech. And the last things you have to pay attention in the introduction part is preview. In the preview, you guys have to briefly explain the outline of the main points you will cover in your speech later. You guys got it?
Yes.
And the second main part is the body part. The body part consists of three things also. The first is explanation. The explanation, as you guys know, is when you describe the point in detail of your speech. And the second is the evidence or the example. In doing your speech, you guys have to provide an example or evidence to support the details, data, or the material you are going to speak about. Okay? And the last thing is transition. To make your speech attractive, you have to do smooth transition to connect one part to the another part of your speech. And the last main structure in speech is conclusion. You guys already know what conclusion is. It is a summary or the recap of the main points of your speech. In the conclusion, you are going to deliver your closing statement about your... I've already explained to you what speech is and what the structure is. Now, it's your turn to deliver your own speech. So, who's excited for this? Me! You guys are going to watch an example of an important figure of doing his speech. Please pay attention to this video and happy watching.
Yes, miss.
Can you the quality of the video?
Sudah bagus, miss.
I have just been to see Her Majesty the Queen, who has invited me to form a government, and I have accepted. I pay tribute to the fortitude and patience of my predecessor, her deep sense of public service. But in spite of all her efforts, it has become clear that there are pessimists at home and abroad who will think, after 3 years of indecision, that this country has become a prisoner to the old arguments of 2016. And in this home of democracy, we are incapable of honouring a democratic mandate. And so I am standing before you today to tell you, the British people, that those critics are wrong. The doubters, the doomsters.
Yes. Now it's your turn to do your own speech. Who will be the volunteer of this? If no one of you guys will raise your hand, I will choose you directly. And I will choose Mariska. Can you do it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, give applause to Mariska.
Gentlemen, bullying may seem like a small problem for some people.
No, it's okay, Mariska. Don't laugh at your friend. Putra, be quiet.
Yes, miss.
Most people may not realize that the damage caused by bullying can be so serious.
Don't laugh at Mariska. Keep going, Mariska.
Salah, miss.
It can be as serious as that in extreme cases. If you think that bullying is not a serious matter,
No, it's okay. Keep going. No, don't cry. Don't laugh at your friend. in the depth of events. Okay, give applause to Marissa. Now, I want one more from you guys to deliver your speech. Okay, April. Hey, customer. Let me show you what I got. Wow. Okay, April, here's yours. Be quiet, class. Speech test. Bullying. Ladies and gentlemen, bullying may seem like a small problem for some people. Most people may not realize that the damage caused by bullying can be serious. It can be as serious as death in extreme cases. If you think that bullying is not a serious matter to deal with, just because it merely hurts feelings, then I have to tell you that you are completely wrong. This merely hurt your feelings thing can be beginning of various worse scenarios, such as physical assault, suicide, or any other kind of violent acts carried out in the name of revenge. Such a great job! Yay! Kalian pemaknas. Okay, so can you hear me? Yes, miss. I will give you a brief feedback for your speech recently. And for Marissa, in doing your speech, you have to use facial expression and some gesture to communicate with your audience. So don't just read your text seriously and you didn't care about your audience. Okay? You have to gain their attention. And for April, one more thing, you have to pay attention to your pronunciation in some words, so that your speech or the message in your speech will not ambiguous. Okay, and for April, your speech is great, but you also have to use some gesture to attractively communicate with your audience. Yes, but you both did a great job for your speech. Give applause again for your friends. Now, after this, you guys have to do some tasks that I have provided. I already make a worksheet for you. Good. Skip, coy. Skip. Nanti itu dikat saja ya. Di mana worksheet ini. Open. Nah, I've also already sent it to your WhatsApp group. So this one will gonna be your homework, and you have to mengumpulkannya pada pertemuan selanjutnya. Okay, class? Okay, understand? Got what I mean? Yes. Okay, love you guys.
Okay, I think that's all for today, and I hope all of you get the point and understand what the material I have explained before. Okay, and don't forget to jangan lupa mengumpulkan tugas kalian pada minggu pertemuan selanjutnya. Okay?
Yes, please.
And that's all for today. Wassalamualaikum